Did you know that the tiny mustard seeds in your kitchen are packed with numerous health benefits? These small yet mighty seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering everything from heart health advantages to antioxidant properties. They aid digestion, have anti-inflammatory effects, are nutrient-rich, and even assist in weight management. Studies suggest they may even play a part in cancer prevention. They're a boon for your immunity and also contribute to skin and hair health. Now let's dive into the health benefits of these tiny powerhouses. First, let's talk about heart health. Mustard seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, tiny superheroes that fight inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and fortify cardiovascular function. But the benefits don't stop at the heart. Mustard seeds are also rich in antioxidants like selenium and magnesium, which guard our bodies against free radicals and chronic diseases. They're like a protective shield, warding off harmful elements that can damage our cells. And if you've ever had digestive issues, mustard seeds might just be your new best friend. They stimulate saliva production, aiding digestion, and are a great source of fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. What about inflammation, you ask? Well, mustard seeds have that covered too. Compounds like glucosinolates and isothiocyanates act as anti-inflammatory agents, helping to soothe inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Let's not forget about essential nutrients. Mustard seeds are packed with calcium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus, all crucial for bone health, muscle function, and overall well-being. If you're trying to manage your weight, the fiber in mustard seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. Some studies even suggest that mustard seeds may have cancer-fighting properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. And last but not least, mustard seeds are rich in vitamin C, a key player in boosting our immune system. They also provide benefits for skin and hair health, thanks to their antioxidant properties. And those are just some of the amazing health benefits of mustard seeds. You might be wondering, how can I include mustard seeds in my diet? Well, there's a multitude of ways. Try using whole mustard seeds in pickles or marinades for a bold, crunchy twist. You can toast them in a dry skillet to enhance their nutty flavor. Ground mustard seeds make a great seasoning in curries, soups, and sauces. And mustard seed oil? It packs a punch in cooking, but remember to use it sparingly due to its robust flavor. Adding mustard seeds to your diet is a simple, flavorful way to boost your health. To summarize, mustard seeds are a tiny but mighty addition to your diet. These small seeds are powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals. They promote heart health, aid digestion, help in weight management, and even have potential cancer-fighting properties. From pickles and marinades to curries and soups, there are numerous ways to incorporate them into your meals. Why not try adding some mustard seeds to your next meal? You'll be surprised at the flavor they add and the health benefits they bring.